Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying to get things done while my kids are at school, and I want to share with you a day in my life. Today I'm home and I wanted to do some deep cleaning around the house. I wanted to do a little bit of self-care and I needed to go grocery shopping. So I'm taking you along with me and sharing my day with you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you aren't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the thumbs up button as well if you like this video. And let's go ahead and jump right in. After I drop off my kids from school, I come home and either have coffee or tea, and I have some breakfast. I typically go for a pretty high protein breakfast, so I boil up some eggs and have that with avocado toast or an omelet or eggs and toast, or sometimes I'll have oatmeal. After I've had a good breakfast and I've had my tea or coffee, I usually start a workout or I go to the gym. Today I decided to do an at-home workout and I'm doing a Caroline Circuits. I recently found her on Instagram. She's fabulous. I love her workouts. She does full body, but I also really like her arm workouts. She has a few free workouts on her YouTube channel, but she also has a subscription. I don't currently subscribe because I also have a gym membership. So I just do free workouts if I want to do workouts at home and I'm not in the mood to go to the gym, or sometimes I'll go to the gym, or me and Byron will go together. They have an indoor running track that we've been running during the colder months. And actually, we're just coming out of a cold snap. We were snowed in. The kids had a full week of snow days because we had that much snow. And the snow finally melted, and it's actually warming up to be sunny and 60 degrees. So this was the first warmer day that we had, but the morning was still pretty chilly. So I was getting my workout done inside, and then I'm going to go for a walk. In our town, we have this spot. It's a 3.5 mile walk next to a river, and then it's a lake and a park, and we love this spot. It's my happy place. My husband and I go together and he'll fish, and I'll usually just kind of walk and enjoy. We often come on the weekends with the kids and play in the park, and we also bring the dogs here a lot, and we just love this spot in general. So it was still pretty cold in the morning when we went. It was like 30 something degrees, and then it warmed up later in the day, but it just felt really, really good to feel the sun. I was coming out of a little bit of the seasonal depression from the few weeks of it being really cloudy and cold, so it just felt really good to see and feel the sun and get out and walk outside in nature. And so I love to do this as often as I can. It's one of my favorite spots, but I just love to be in nature in general, so I'll try to find this no matter where we've lived. I've tried to find those little moments of time in nature. After I came home, I really wanted to deep clean the kitchen. I wanted to touch on some areas that don't get cleaned as consistently as more of the superficial kitchen cleaning that happens. So I like to block out time to deep clean different areas of the house, and I try to focus on different areas on different days. So I'm just using a dime-sized amount of Dawn dish soap, some water, and a sponge to deep clean all around the kitchen and the cabinets. With deep cleaning, I just tried to take the, imaginary magnifying glass to the kitchen and focus on areas that don't get as much attention, like the baseboards or the cupboards where there's little spillages and splatters that need to be cleaned up. Before I head to the grocery store, I'm going to take the dogs outside for a little bit. I'm going to make myself a matcha green tea latte. I had bagged green tea this morning, but I'm going to do the powder that I get from Trader Joe's, milk and honey. But you could do this with an alternative milk, or you can do it with like sugar, cane sugar if you want. But I put it in this frother. I'm obsessed with this thing. I've mentioned it before in multiple videos because I use it to froth up milk for coffee, but I also use it for making hot chocolate. I use the second setting and it makes the perfect matcha latte, just like what you would get at Starbucks. So we're obsessed with this thing because we make all sorts of drinks in it.
Weightless, I am weightless. Underneath your wind I soar. Wasted, I feel wasted. With every breath I draw from
It's a bit of a drive to get into Trader Joe's. It usually takes me between 30 and 40 minutes, so it's not too bad, but it does take up a big chunk of my day. But I love Trader Joe's, and I usually do Aldi or Trader Joe's, but that's definitely my favorite place to go shopping. And I get my, favorite things for the kids and for dinners and everything. So I'm just going to quickly put away the groceries, and then I want to take a shower because between working out, cleaning, grocery shopping, I definitely need to take a shower and do some quick self-care before we pick up the kids from school. And then the kids are home and we're kind of focused on that whole routine once they get home. So I'm going to do some dry brushing. I'm going to jump in the shower and do a little bit of skincare. Typically I'll take my shower in the morning or in the evening, but sometimes I do it in the middle of the day, so I just reapply my skincare. So I'll do my hyaluronic acid serum and my sunscreen. I recently got that snail mucin, and I've been trying that out, so I'll keep you posted on what I think about that. That was recommended to me by somebody in the comments, and I've also just been hearing a lot about it, so I had to try it out to see. I'll do an updated skincare video in the near future with some of the new favorites. But I put a little eye cream on, maybe a little concealer. And then I got this Brazilian nut body oil from Trader Joe's, which is a dupe of the Bum Bum cream, or it smells just like that Bum Bum cream. I don't think they have that all year long, but I really like this product, and I love oils, so that's a good oil for the body. And that completes what I was able to get accomplished on this day. Every day looks a little bit different because I make goals according to what needs to get done. So if it's a work day, I'm pretty much doing a workout and then I'm working for the day. But today I had a chance to spend a little time in nature. I got some deep cleaning done and I got some grocery shopping in. So that felt really nice and I wanted to share my day with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my channel, please be sure to subscribe, leave a comment below, thumbs up. All of those things help me so much. You can check out the description for more info on what I discuss in the videos I share, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.